You all know I normally don't take videos or something like that, but I was asked, or better allowed, to do a test from a printing company called Saal, and well, I just want to show you the result of this. Well, the cover is acryl, and as you can see, it has foil for protection. Well, you see, it's hard to move with one hand, so it's really good protected. Well, here we go. This is the acrylic cover. You can see it's very shiny. And yes, I used the size 21 per 21 centimeters. And yes, I made two parts. The first is for my pictures as cosplayer, and the second part is where I uploaded photos from my work as photographer. Well, as you can see, the texture I used is fine art paper, and well, I just will show you through the book. And yeah, I took various designs, each for each character one, so that I can try various designs they offer, and always use some quotes from the character I portrait. And yes, so you can see even the pictures in the middle are smooth. The folds are not really seen. And yes, I love this design. You can add it in the book. It fits Sombra perfectly. And yes, there's also some henna-like ornaments. So you can play with some ornaments and different frames to choose. And well, you have all kind of different designs, just like the nucleus here, which is very good for Nier Automata. And yes, you can also choose this in different colors. The program which you can use for design this book is really good. You can also change some color adjustment for the photos. So if you have you can make it black and white, or add a bit color, like a sepia tone or something like that. I added the dragons. They're not a design from the book, but it's from a 3D artist I will mark in the comments. And it fits perfect for my design in the book. And yes, so the texture of this paper is pretty perfect. Well, if you go on, you can see all this little texture. It's from the paper they use. And yes, I will now just go through the book so you can see more of it. And yes, I hope you like it, and maybe you can also order yours. I would recommend it, really. If you don't do it, you know, Dracarys. So, and now the second part begins, where I put the photos that I, well, made as a photographer. I do more nature stuff than anything else in a moment, because, well, I really have models, so this was the best part for me. And I love animals and nature, so perfect. We always have some squirrels around, so they chill in the trees and love it. Birds, and reptiles. So, as you can see, I also add some quotes here. And yeah, these are my 2 budgies I have, and also this little fella, cockatiel. Unfortunately, our budgies have passed, but, well, memory is still there, of course. Well, we are coming to the end, slowly. And you see a lot of animals, big flamingo, and also some Buddha shui, and of course Dante's also. Well, yeah, and that was it from the book. I really enjoy it. I hope it will help you if you want to order yours too. Thank you!